Hello, I'm Mercy Salinas with DiscountLowVoltage.com, and today I want to talk about the PureNet LS 24-port patch panel. Now, this patch panel is 1U of space, and it is made for going onto 19-inch wide racks. It's designed for applications in horizontal distribution and backbone cabling. It is also 4/16 megabits per second token ring, 10/100/1000 base T applications. Another nice thing I like about this brand is they also manufacture their own cable and jacks, so you can go ahead and offer your customer a full end-to-end 25-year structured wiring warranty. If you have any questions, call us. You can order all this stuff online, and don't forget to subscribe.